What if I told you that you can create your own reality? Imagine transforming your life using just the power of your thoughts. Welcome to the world of the law of assumption. In this journey, we're not just dreaming, we're creating. In our exploration of the law of assumption, it's important to remember that this journey is unique for each of us. No matter where you come from or what dreams you hold in your heart, these principles can be applied in countless ways. For example, if your goal is to start a successful business, you might begin to see yourself as a thriving entrepreneur, attracting opportunities and abundance. Or perhaps your focus is on personal well-being, visualizing a life filled with health and happiness. These aren't just idle daydreams, they're the seeds of your future reality. As we continue our journey together, we'll explore how different affirmations can be tailored to specific goals, whether in career, personal life, or health. It's about finding the right affirmations that resonate with your unique path and using them to manifest the life you desire. Every step you take on this path is a step towards a future where your dreams aren't just possibilities, but realities. Assume the best, believe in your potential, and watch as the world aligns with your positive mindset. Remember, the universe echoes what you put out there. Assume greatness, and greatness will find its way to you. Thank you for joining me on this journey of discovery and empowerment.